I'm Athena from Meticulous Ink, and today we'll be looking at some lowercase letters. So this I call group 1, and we're looking at letters that have a similar starting shape. So we're going to start with a lowercase c. So this, if you're using your practice paper, fits into your X height. So we're starting near the top of the X height. We're moving up first, coming down, and then moving up. So we're thinking a leaning oval shape. So if you were to complete that shape, it would be an oval, not a circle. So don't go too wide, don't get too chunky with your C's. And although we do want to keep a nice curve to our downstroke, we want that downstroke still to be quite parallel to that dotted line. And we want it to be a nice curve. And as soon as you start moving left at the bottom, we want to take that pressure right off. So that is our lowercase c. So next we're going to look at lowercase a. So this starts with a lowercase c, but then we carry on moving up and up to the top X line, then back down. And again, we're thinking a leaning oval shape. So you want the front and the back to be quite parallel to the dotted line, but we want to keep a nice curve to the front of that. So that I just do in one motion, so we don't need to take our pen off the page for that lowercase a. Of course, if you prefer, you can do it in 2 parts. So that is our lowercase a. Next, we're going to look at lowercase e, which also fits in the X height. So this time we're starting in the middle of the X height. We're moving up, coming down the back, and then finishing upwards. Again, with all of these, we're thinking a leaning oval shape. And we want that stroke to be nice and light when we're moving upwards. Next, we're going to look at lowercase o. So this starts very similar to the lowercase c. Then we're moving all the way up, and we finish with a tiny loop on the top. So this means that we can then join up to our next letter, because eventually we will join up all of our letters. Yes, that's right. So we're coming down on the left, up on the right, and finishing with a tiny loop on the top. So next up is going to be lowercase d. So this starts like a lowercase c. So we're coming down in front. This time we're coming all the way up to the top A line and then looping back in front. So again, for that starting part, we want a nice leaning oval shape, and then we want a nice tall loop for the back of the lowercase d. And remember to keep that pressure nice and light on that upstroke. And finally in this group is lowercase g. So again, lowercase g starts like the lowercase a. So we're starting with the lowercase a. This time we carry on all the way down to the lower d line, and then we're looping up. So it's good to get into the habit of finishing your letters with an upstroke, because that will then help when you come to join up your letters. You'll be able to do it easily from all of that practice that you'll be doing. Because practice is very important in calligraphy. That was our first group of letters, so please subscribe so you can continue with the rest of the alphabet, because you need all of it. And please do comment, let me know how you're getting on with your practice. Thank you very much for watching.